Hello, have you enjoyed your festivals? I know you have enjoyed. Now, festivals are over, study time is coming, so you will do hard work for your second term exam because your second term exam is coming. Now, we will continue our chapter. Let's start. Servers synchronize files across devices and share files. Google Drive is a cloud-based storage solution. It is like a pen drive, but it is a cloud-based storage that allows you to save files online and access them anywhere from any smartphone, tablet or computer. No need if you want to open your files on other smartphone, other tablet or computer, you can easily open that. No need to same device where we have stored the data on Google Drive. You can use Drive on your computer or mobile device to securely upload files and edit them online. Drive also makes it easy for others to edit and collaborate on files. The key difference is that with Google Drive, you will need to manually back your images up to it. For Google Photos, you can set up an automatic backup using Backup and Syncs. So we can say that Google Drive is a storage space provided by Google. This is a cyberspace which is like the hard disk of your computer and where you can store your files and folders. The files stored in the Google Drive can be easily sent or shared to other devices or persons. How to use Google Drive? Step 1. Go to drive.google.com on your computer. Then go to drive.google.com. Step 2. Upload or create files. You can upload files from your computer or create files in Google Drive. Step 3. Share and organize files. You can share files or folders so other people can view, edit or comment on them. This is the Google Drive. How can you download, upload files, sending files folder from the Google Drive, downloading files folder from the Google Drive. These you can read from your book stepwise and you can practice for that also on your computer. Now e-commerce. This is also known as electronic commerce or e-commerce, sometimes written e-commerce like this. It is a business model that lets firms and individuals buy and sell things over the internet. Nowadays, e-commerce is very popular to buy and sell things over the internet. E-commerce operates in all four of the following major market segments: business to business, business to consumers. First is different types of e-commerce services. First is B2C, means business to consumers. B2C sell to their end user. The B2C model is the most common business model. So there are many unique approaches under this umbrella. Anything you buy in an online store as a consumer, think wardrobe, household supplies, entertainment, is done as part of B2C transaction. This is very popular. Now next is B2B, means business to business. In a B2B business to model, a business sells its product or service to another business. It will not sell their product to the consumers. Sometimes the buyer is the end user, but often the buyer resells to the consumer. B2B transactions generally have a longer sales cycle, but higher order value and more recurring purchases. Number 3 is C2B, means consumers to business. C2B business allows individuals to sell goods and services to companies. In this e-commerce model, a site might allow customers to post the work they want to be completed and have businesses bid for the opportunity. Affiliate marketing services would also be considered C2B. In this means anybody can sell their goods or services to the companies. Now next is C2C, means consumer to consumer. Consumer to consumer. A C2C business, also called an online marketplace, connects consumers to exchange goods and services and typically makes their money by charging transactions or listing fees. Online businesses like Craigslist and eBay pioneered this model in the early days of the internet. Now, online shopping. It is a form of electronic commerce which allows consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller over the internet using a web browser or a mobile app. Nowadays, online shopping helps consumers purchase products over the internet from the comfort of their homes. There are several online stores which offers shopping facilities on the internet by e-shop, e-store, internet shop, web store and online stores. The process of online shopping is time saving and easy as it has made goods and services available by the simple click of a button. It is more effective way of getting product and expanding business into different regions. Online shopping has many advantages. First is save times and effort. It saves our time and efforts. No need to go to take out time for going outside to search the things which we want. Convenience of shopping at home. At home, we stay at home and we can buy anything by clicking a button of our mobile. Wide variety range of products are available. Good discount or lower prices you can get from in online shopping. Get detailed information of the product. We can compare various models, brands on online. No pressure shopping. If we don't want to shop that thing, we don't want to buy that thing. No need to. Nobody will pressurize that we will buy this thing. Online shopping saves time. Yes. Comparisons. Companies display the whole range of products offered by them to attract customers with different tastes and needs. Availability of online shop. The mall is open on 365 into 24 into 7. So time does not act as a barrier wherever the vendor and buyers are. Online tracking. Online consumers can track the order status and delivery status. Tracking of shipping is also available. Online shopping saves money. To attract customers to shop online, e-tailers and marketers offer discount to the customers. Due to elimination of maintenance, real estate cost, the retailers are able to sell the products with attractive discount through online. Now, this is the disadvantage. By mistake, I have written advantage. This is the disadvantages of online shopping. You know, if something have advantage, there is also the other part which have disadvantage also. So, the disadvantages of online, first is delay in delivery. Long duration and lack of proper inventory management results in delays in shipment. This frustration the customers and prevent them from shopping online. It taking so much time to deliver the things. Lack of significant discount in online shops. Physically, stores offer discount to customers and attract them, so this makes it difficult for e-tailers to compare with the offline platforms. Third, lack of touch and feel of merchandise in online shopping. Lack of touch feel try creates concerns over the quality of the product on offer. Online shopping is not quite suitable for clothes as the customers cannot try them on. Offline shopping we can try that product. If it is not suit, we can easily return that product. But online shopping we cannot try on that time. First it will take to deliver, then after that it will taking so much time to pick up that product from our home. Lack of interactivity in online shopping. Physical stores allow price negotiation between buyers and the sellers. The showroom sales attendant representative provide personal attention to customers and help them in purchasing goods. But online there is lack of interactivity. Lack of shopping experience. The traditional shopping exercise provides lot of fun in the form of showroom atmosphere, smart sales attendants, scan and sound that cannot be experienced through a website. Yes. Lack of close examination in online shopping. A customer has to buy a product without seeing actually how it looks like. Customers may click and buy some product that is not really required by them. The electronics image of a product are sometimes misleading. Yes, this is the very big disadvantage of the online shopping. And now frauds in online shopping. Yes, nowadays it is going very much. Sometimes there is disappearance of shopping sites itself. In addition to above, the online payments are not much secured. So it is essential for e-marketers and retailers to pay attention to this issue to boost the growth of e-commerce. Now next is online payment options generally falls into one of the six meta categories. Online modes of payment. Because e-commerce has become a new way to conduct business by removing geographically barriers from advertising to payment. Everything can be easily done through electronic means. There are some methods: credit, debit, prepaid card payments. Credit, debit, prepaid card payments. Cards represent the most popular worldwide payment method in the United States, Canada, Mexico, China, Korea and most of Western Europe. Nowadays in India also, in Asian countries also popular this. Now bank transfers. Some e-commerce websites prefer to instruct their customer to make bank transfers directly their account, often using an IBAN number. E-wallets. E-wallets require customers and merchants to sign up and create accounts, then deposit and withdraw money from linked bank accounts. E-wallets like PayPal and Alipay are very popular in the United States and China respectively. Cash. In India, Romania, Russia and many other parts of the world, cash remains king, even for e-commerce. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are rapidly gaining interest as a payment method for online transactions, particularly among young money and professionals with IT experts. They are using cryptocurrencies. Direct carrier payments. For some products and services, the ability to bill customers directly through their existing telephone utility carrier is the most efficient way to effectuate payment. MICR check also. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. The MICR check is written with magnetic ink. The check is further produced to a sensible machine that reads the transfer the amount to be dealer's account. These are the mode of payment on online shopping. Hope you all understood this. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Now NEFT, RTG or IMPS also. Choose the best way to make online money transfer, that is NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. The National Electronic Fund Transfer or NEFT is the simplest and most liked form of money transfer from one bank to bank. RTGS, real-time gross settlement. IMPS, immediate payment services. These are also the online money transfer services. Now, you will complete your work on time and revise your work and submit your work on time